Welcome to my channel Easy Traveler. Today I shall talk about International Baccalaureate or IB Board.
Education is the foundation for every child's future. Today, IB Board is gaining a lot of popularity. But what is International Baccalaureate or IB Board? Let's break it down. The International Baccalaureate or IB is a globally recognized education framework established in 1968. It is guided by a board of governors that ensures high academic standards and a consistent curriculum across the world. IB emphasizes on holistic development, nurturing curiosity, critical thinking, and global awareness. IB offers 4 main programs: the primary years, middle years, diploma program, and career-related program, each designed for different age groups with different learning needs. Evaluation in IB is both rigorous and balanced. Students are graded on a scale of 1 to 7 through a mix of internal and external assessments. Teachers assess projects, presentations, and course work, while external examiners evaluate essays and subject-based exams. This dual approach ensures fairness and encourages students to build research, writing, and critical thinking skills. Like every curriculum, the IB has its strengths and challenges. On the positive side, it offers a globally recognized qualification. It focuses on holistic development and equips students with critical thinking, research, and problem-solving skills. Most importantly, IB nurtures independent thinkers who are ready to face real-world challenges with confidence. However, IB can also be demanding. The workload is heavy, subject options may be limited in some schools, and it can be more expensive compared to national boards. Therefore, it is important for the parents to weigh these pros and cons carefully to see if IB is the right fit for their child's goals and learning style. The IB diploma is fully recognized in India. The Association of Indian Universities AIU equates it to a class 12th qualification, making students eligible for college admissions across the country. IB students can apply to top Indian universities through national entrance exams like CUET, just like CBSE students. For professional courses like medicine or engineering, subject flexibility allows them to meet eligibility criteria. AIU also provides official conversion of IB grades into percentage marks, ensuring IB students are not at any disadvantage in the admission process. The future of education is no longer about just grades. It's about shaping confident, curious, and compassionate global citizens. The IB curriculum does exactly that by encouraging critical thinking, independent learning, and real-world skills. If you want your child to thrive in an ever-changing world, IB can be a powerful pathway to success.